Heat 2 tablespoons of ghee and a little oil in a heavy-bottom pan. Once the oil is hot, add whole spices of your choice, like bay leaf, cloves, cinnamon, and cardamom. Let them sizzle until aromatic. Now, add 2 sliced onions and sauté until golden brown. Next, add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Cook till it turns golden and releases its aroma. Add 2 slit green chilies for a mild kick. Add 1/2 teaspoon turmeric and 1 teaspoon red chili powder. Mix well. Now add 1 cup of soaked and drained Masoor Dal and any chopped vegetables you have on hand, like carrots, beans, or peas. Cook everything for about 5 to 6 minutes, allowing the vegetables and dal to soften slightly. Then add 2 chopped tomatoes and cook until they become soft and blend in. Add 2 cups of rinsed basmati rice and lightly sauté it with the masala. Now pour in 4 cups of water. Let it come to a boil. Once boiling, close the lid and cook on low heat until the rice is perfectly done. Your delicious and nutritious Masoor Pulao is ready to serve. Pair it with raita or a simple salad for a wholesome meal.